morning. I guess I'll start. My name is Elaine Gerber. I'm an attorney, and I'm probably coming from a different perspective than most of the speakers today. I work independently. I do not work for JRC. I am not paid by them. I do not work for the court system. I work independently, and when I meet with a student, I inform them of the same information. Another important factor is all the attorneys that represent the students are all required to be certified by the Committee for Public Counsel. Now, this involves a full 2-day seminar. That's initially. And subsequent to that, the attorney would be certified. And to remain certified, the attorney would attend a yearly seminar subsequent to that. And at that seminar, there's usually a panel of attorneys, psychologists, social workers, and attorneys. And they will fill us in on the latest laws. There's practice exercises, there's question and answer period. And just for instance, there's been some new laws to the probate court, some new rules and regulations, so we were updated on all the new regulations. So it was really very helpful. After the 2-day seminar, that's the initial seminar, an attorney assignment list is created by the probate court. And the probate court would then assign attorneys to a student that has a new treatment plan is coming into the system. Now, in my particular case, my first step would be to review the treatment plan, speak with staff, review charts, review records at JRC, and most important, I would have a discussion with the student and see what their feelings are. I don't always side with JRC. We have our differences, and we try and work these out. So I meet with the student, and I review the treatment plan with the student and see what their feelings are. Do they want to object to the entire treatment plan, or are there certain provisions that they are opposed to? And just to confirm, I would also evaluate that treatment plan because there may be some oversight on the student's part, which I don't feel is proper. And to reinforce that, many times I would request, my first step is usually a psychologist comes in, speaks with a student, same process as my initial process. They would review the charts, speak to the staff, speak to the student, and they would conclude either the treatment plan is appropriate or it's not appropriate. If there's any possibility that it's not appropriate and maybe it doesn't even belong there, then the next step I would request a psychiatrist to review the plan. And their reports are then submitted to JRC. We try and work things out. There's a little give and take, a little room for give and take. And sometimes we can work things out. They may concede to some of our requests, or they may not. And if JRC doesn't, they would usually obtain their own expert doctor. And again, we try and work things out. If we are unable to work things out, then the case would go for a pretrial and then possibly a trial. And sometimes there's an agreement on the cases, and there's no need to go further. The case would be reviewed by a probate court judge. There would be a hearing. I would present my case, and JRC would present their case. Oftentimes the student attend. Sometimes the student might have some objections, and they would make that known. And then some students, they prefer not to even attend the hearing, so we would file a motion to excuse that.